How to open an account on Westpac Bank. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can open an account on Westpac Bank. So to do that, first of all, download and open the Westpac app on your mobile device. Once you've opened the app, your homepage will look somewhat like this, where you'll have to basically tap on the register option. After that, tap on the first option, which is open an account. It'll give you an option of all the different account types over here. So you can choose choice everyday account, life account, choice saver, term deposit, etc. Simply choose the account which you'd like to open. Now, once you've done that, you'll have to first of all verify your identity. So you can choose any one of these three over here. You can choose your Australian passport, your driver's license, or your Medicare card. Now, once you've done that, you'll have to enter your personal details such as your first name, last name, date of birth, email address, phone number. And once you've entered all of those, you'll have to review your details. And now, once you've entered everything correctly, simply tap on the option Submit Application, and you'll have successfully opened a bank account on Westpac Bank. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.